Hey, this is Chantel McBride and your shot of Shan. Look at the background I have this morning. And you see all those elk? I'm gonna do like this. Listen to the birds. Herds and herds of elk. There's a horse. A little kitty. Hi, kitty. So pretty. Anyway, my message this morning is just get out in nature, you know, and just, gosh, hold back some tears here. Yeah, you're just so close to the divine, whatever that is for you, God for me, out here. I hear the birds. And it just reminds you to trust. You know, it reminds you that the sun does go up every day. In nature, they know what to do. And just trust. Trust and just know that we're always guided and we're not alone, and call on your heavenly angels for help and all that good stuff. But nature is where it's at, boy. I try and get out as much as I can, but this job is like totally taking me out here. So it's cool. Just look at that. You can hear the plane. Oh, that was so pretty. It's just good for the soul. Those elk. It's gorgeous. So trust in it all. This has been your shot of Shan on this Feel Good Friday. Bye. Little kitty. This cat has quite the life. He goes into the elk pen and teases them, and then they chase it and it runs. It's pretty cute. All right, goodbye. Have a super fun, fabulous weekend.